Welcome to my product testing video. My name's Keith, early 50s, profession is an engineer. I've been working on cars for all my life here. So picked this up at the store. It's a NAPA Powerstart battery, 96R series, 600 cold cranking amps. Lots of good features on this. It comes with the pre-covered posts, right? Negative and positive dual marked actually on top. Date code as well in multiple spots. Plus a warning label as well, dealing with acid and stuff, which I installed my Powerstart battery I was talking about in the last review there. Everything went good. Product's simple, easy. I got my gloves on, but it's clean, no leaks, it's sealed, it's got a maintenance-free top on it there, so it's great. Like I said, it slipped right in, easy install, maybe 5 minutes. So I think it's gonna meet my needs coming into here. Winter will be great, but I definitely would recommend purchasing this. I've had the Legend series before. They're good batteries, so I'm expecting the same out of the Powerstarts here. So I highly recommend getting it. Go online, and like I said, easy to use. Functionality there for putting your car make and model in, and it comes out with the right battery, and you can't really beat it. So anyhow, I think it's great, and I definitely will be buying this product for my other cars as well. Thank you. Have a good day.